Hi guys, I'm the Natural One and this is another seedling update video. So you guys, look at my sugar baby watermelon. I got more plants now. The dill is doing great. And look at my zucchini, guys. Look at that. Isn't it nice? I'm so excited. Up next, we have the winter squash and radishes, guys. Look at how well my radishes is doing. This is my first time growing radishes, so they need to get a little bit wider, I believe, and a little bit taller, so that way I can harvest them. But look how fast they grew. And those are the ones that I planted directly into the soil. So I didn't even start those indoors, thank goodness. This is my cauliflower, and so far, so good. Look at that, guys. It's growing up, okay? You guys, look at my eggplant and habanero peppers. Listen, I'm not going to complain. It's nothing to complain about because they are still here. They just need some little bit of TLC to grow up and a little bit of nurturing. So I'm still happy. Okay? Now, as you can see, the other peppers that I have down there, and I'm not going to turn it because normally I would turn the tower here. Fun fact, I do not like bugs, even though I love gardening, but I cannot stand bugs, even though I'm trying to develop appreciation for them and everything like that. But it's a spider that is between the tower, the my herb garden, so I wasn't moving it, okay? This is the ginger. That's looking good. And here's the herb garden. And then, so this is the lettuce, kale. I got spinaches in the middle near the pole. And that is thyme, the little ones that you see that hasn't developed quietly. And that's another type of lettuce over there. That's that lonely one by itself. So, and you see the spider web? Like, I'm not dealing with that. So far, what I have not seen is the chives. So maybe they need a little bit more time. But overall, guys, this is what I have. So far, this is the tomatoes and onions. They are looking very good, guys. And I already have an update on the corn and cucumber. And this is the tomatoes and basil. So I'm so excited, you guys. Look at that. Now, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. And thank you so much for my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. I really do love you guys. You don't understand. I really do appreciate you guys. So thank you so much for watching. And for more videos, please click on the link here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.